F3, Fun and Frustration Telugu Movie Summary in English. Venky, who works as an agent at a RTO in Hyderabad, struggles to meet his ends and suffers from night blindness but hides his disability from everyone. His friend Varun Yadav, an orphan who stutter plans various schemes to make money, but to no avail. After investing in Harika's family restaurant, Venky and his friend lose much of their money. In a search for cash, Varun mistakes Harika's sister Honey for a rich woman and plans to marry her. Venky agrees to fund Varun's plan, failing to recognize Honey due to his disability. Venky and Varun take a vast loan from Pala Baby, a local landlord, by pledging their property. After spending lakhs of rupees by giving expensive gifts and cash to Honey, they realize their mistake while Harika's family loses all their money in shares. Pala Baby, who worships women, drops his plans to waive off the loan after realizing the guile methods of Harika's family. They all reach the police station to settle their issue, where CI Nagaraju, an honest policeman who is on the brink of losing his job, hatches a plan to raid Commissioner Dilip Chandra's house with them to steal the illegally acquired cash and diamonds. They successfully execute their plan and hide the valuables in the boot of a scrap car. While doing so, they also rescue a kidnapped girl. The following morning, they confess their robbery to Dilip out of fear. However, the car goes missing, and Dilip threatens their life if they fail to return the stolen amount. When Venky, Varun, Harika, and Nagaraju are about to commit suicide, they receive news that billionaire Anand Sharma is looking for his prodigal son. They decide to go to his place and claim themselves as his son to steal his wealth. However, they almost die because of their plans of committing suicide. Thankfully, they get saved on rare occasion. They all reach his place in Vizianagaram. Venky, Varun, Harika, in a male disguise, and a junior artist hired by Nagaraju present themselves as Anand's son. Unsure of who the right person is, Anand lets everyone stay in his palace. They scheme against each other and utterly fail to impress Anand. All the contenders endure the toughest of the tests given by Anand. As a final effort, Anand announces that whoever brings his F3 toy factory to profits shall be declared his heir. Putting their differences aside, all the contenders collaborate to create a new toy to achieve profit. They develop a set of interactive toys by merchandising Telugu film characters, namely Amrendra Bahubali, Gabbar Singh, Ajay Krishna, Veera Raghava, Chitti Babu and Batu. The sales skyrocket, and the factory earns a bumper profit. Together, they elect Varun and present him as his rightful heir to Anand. However, Anand reveals that his son died by suicide several years ago after earning money by fraudulent means. Since they rescued his granddaughter, Anand allows them to prove themselves and offers them the profit they earned. Venky and Varun realize their mistakes and give up the money. Later, subordinates abduct Anand, who demands a ransom of 100 crore rupees, $12 million. Venky, Varun, and others arrive at the place, but the goons attack them. Initially, they try to confuse them, but when the plan fails, Venky dresses up as Narappa and Varun as Vakil Saab and thrashes the goons together. When they are trying to leave, the police arrive and arrest everyone. Meanwhile, the thief who stole the car reveals to Dilip that he sold all the diamonds at a cheap rate, mistaking them for regular gemstones, and later gets selected as an MLA with the support of his buyers, and Dilip, ousts from his job, join him as an assistant. Finally, the movie ends happily by showing the troupe proceeding on a jolly trip to Goa, which director Anil Ravipudi diverts to a new destination, F4.